Ooma AirDial is the leading POTS replacement solution, offering true cloud-based management across multiple devices and even multiple accounts. Ooma's remote device management portal lets you monitor and manage all AirDial devices, as well as set up custom notifications through one intuitive platform. The Devices tab in the portal shows the status of all your devices, making it easy to view service status, signal strength, and backup battery level at a glance. Clicking on an individual device gives you more detailed information, including call logs, WAN status, and more. The Ports tab allows you to manage the individual phone lines. For each line, you can choose the number, the mode, the 911 address, forwarding rules, and more. Clicking on Notifications allows setup of SMS and email notifications for each device when calls are made from that device, or if there's a power outage. Notifications can be set at the device level or at the account level. Enterprise customers managing multiple locations and IT consultants managing more than one client can switch to another location or business with a quick click on the Select Account drop-down menu. The Accounts tab lists each business and makes it simple to add another account. Similarly, the Users tab shows all users by account and makes it easy to add a new user. When setting up the user, you can add role-based permissions. Together, these powerful features greatly improve the efficiency and effectiveness of managing mission-critical POTS devices such as fire alarms, elevator phones, and building entry systems.